President and I discussed a wide range of state and national issues. He briefed me on efforts to strengthen security across Southwest State, as well as on the successful recovery of Sabid and Barire in Lower Shabelle. We also spoke about the challenges of supporting displaced communities at a time of uncertainty in humanitarian funding. I assured the President that despite global funding shortfalls, the United Nations will continue to do its utmost within available resources to assist those most in need. I underscored the importance of unity and inclusive dialogue among Somalia's political and federal member state leaders. And I noted that President Abdiaziz has played a constructive role in such efforts in the past and could also play a helpful role in the future. Let me stress that the United Nations will remain a partner to Southwest State and to the federal government of Somalia in advancing peace, state building, responses to security threats, and the humanitarian and development needs of the Somali people.